yung mga nilagay namin sa script are based
para naman kung fourth read eh. Pinahahaba yung definition. Ang tanong, was it a political tire? Yes.
Yes.
So nagbibiro ka lang pala?
No, the topic is serious.
Indeed, but the treatment, nagbibiro ka lang. Yun ang translation ng satire, di ba? Joke lang.
It's joke serious, so you can tell a serious story through laughter. So
I understand. But satire, how do you define satire? Kasi music major kayo, di ba? Hindi naman na-copyright ito ginawa nyo. Historical film. So, if you say satire, that means, ay, joke lang pala. So yeah, matatanggap ka, joke lang pala.
We will leave that to the audience to decide if it's
satire or not.
If it's something that they would want to process.
But is it satire? Because I have receipts. Dala ko resibo eh. May friend, si Ed Rocha, the money man behind this. Di ba? Sila ni Nando Ortigas, dati, no? Pera nila. Hindi pera nila Nando. Well, sila mga producer niya, di ba? So, may friend si Nando sa kanyang Viber. Nag-comment yung ate ko, our only third generation Quezon, si Aurora Quezon Utansenya, ate ko, sa stage na katira. Nag-comment ang ate ko, enhorabuena, congratulations. Ed, kasi kaibigan namin yung mga Roche eh. So, ang sagot ni Ed, sabi, is it coming to the US? Yes. Ang sagot ni Ed, preparate, prepare yourself. This is a political satire. So, ibig sabihin, alam ni Ed, na sinalaulan nyo ang alaala ng aking lolo. That you did not do him right, and that he does not have the moral nor the artistic integrity to stand by this product. If he will say it was a satire, and you admit it is,
yes.
Okay, so satire. So huwag natin magpapaniwalaan. Joke pala ito. It's a joke. It is satire. Teka, ito di pa ako tapos eh.
With all due respect, sir.
Oh.
I understand the feelings, but this is a Q&A for everyone.
Okay, so my question has been answered, so let me finish.
We are giving everyone a chance because everyone paid.
Hey dude, listen to this.
Sir,
you're jumping around.
No.
No, listen to me.
We're gonna listen to you, but there's a space and time.
Jericho, wag mo akong ganyan ha?
No, sir. Because
Umupo ka, patapusin mo ako. 1 minute, I'm done. It's just sit down and shut up. Okay?
1 minute, sige. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, okay.
Everyone.
Okay, so this no more question. This I tell you all. You have opened the Pandora's box. Oh, okay naman, di ba?
Just a minute na lang daw.
Oh, 1 minute naman eh. So listen to this. I have watched this the third time in the week. Nung umpisa ako kay Pakot. And then I've seen all the comments and all the bashing on media, on social media. So what you have opened, Mr. Taro, is a Pandora's box. Marami mga Pilipinong bata ngayon hindi naman nag-aral. Alam ba nyo that we got women suffrage before France? Alam ba nyo na mismong Hacienda ni Quezon, pinamahagi niya? Libre? Teka, hindi pa ako tapos.
Yes, sir.
Kakainin mo yung 1 minute ko eh. I have 45 seconds. Kung hindi nyo alam nyo, i-research nyo. I-research nyo lahat. Sapagkat ito parang inaamin naman na joke lang eh. Okay? So, ikaw, Mr. Taro, at lahat kayo, hindi nyo alam ito binuksan nyo. Ang dami nagsasabi sa social media, ay, mali pala si Quezon, dapat naiwan lang tayo sa mga Amerikano. Ganon? So, nasa ilalim tayo ni Trump. Anyway, hindi nyo alam ang ginawa nyo. Dahil kayo, gusto nyo kumita ng pera, gusto nyo sumikat, sinalaula ninyo ang alaala ng isang pamilyang nagbuwis ng buhay. Ang lola ko, inubos yan. Kasama ng tita baby ko, kasama ng unang asawa ng nanay ko. Pinas lang yung mga yan dahil hirap na. Anyway, yun, tapos na ako. Mahiya kayo. Ngayon, eto sinachannel ko ngayon ang aking lolo sa pagsabi ko sa inyong ito. Punyeta kayo mga putang ina nyo, kupal kayo!
Thank you, sir.